There is always a way to download videos from all the social media platforms. And I have done tutorials on how to download videos from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So today in this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to download videos from Pinterest, okay? So let's go. So to download videos from Pinterest, go to Play Store. Search for Pinterest Video Downloader. So you can see the one that I'm using. This one, Video Downloader for Pinterest. This first one. So when you tap on it, then you can install it to your phone. So once it's done installing, you want to download videos from your Pinterest. So go over to your Pinterest, open your Pinterest. Then maybe you come across one of the videos you want to download. Let's say you want to download this one. You click on it. Then you click on share. Then copy the link. So go to your phone and launch the Pinterest Downloader app. You can see it here on my phone. Tap to launch it open. So once it opens, here in the input, paste the link of the video you copied from Pinterest. So now you tap on download. You will see the videos here. So if you want to download only the cover photo, you choose the down one. But if you want to download the video, the full video, you choose this full HD and tap on this icon, download. Then your video will start downloading. So if you watch here, you see that it says you have one finished video. So tap on it. So now you see your video here. So you can either tap on this three dots hamburger icon to share it or move it to a private folder or copy, text it or download it again or even delete it. Okay? You can also go to your gallery and see your video here. You can see it here, okay?